Good morning. Now that you've all come up with the fantastic multiplication and division word problems, we're going to practice getting you ready for our amazing Kahoot extravaganza game on Friday. Today, your teachers have pulled 3 multiplication word problems for you to complete. Next steps. You're going to open up this Google Slides presentation right here. You read the first story problem. Choose the correct equation. Write it down in your math journal. Be sure to write which problem it is. Like, is it number 1, number 2, number 3? Solve the equation in your math journal using one of the following strategies: the area model, ratio table, or the partial products. You're not using the standard algorithm. If you need a reminder why we don't use the standard algorithm yet, review this video from Mr. G. It is really good at explaining why we're not using it yet. Repeat this with the other 2 word problems. So you're going to read the story, choose the correct equation, write which problem it is, and solve it using area model, ratio table, partial products for the rest of them. Take a picture of your work and submit it into this Google Classroom.